namhlanje? Is it curtains for Orlando Pirates in terms of a Betway Premiership?
Yeah, even their 2-point benzima kakhulu, but bongabanike a chance. But truly speaking, mina ngisho bangisho. I mean, Fetty Sundowns, we talk about the 7 or 8 times champions.
Yeah.
Players that are going to semi-final of Champions League, they playing Champions League winning every year. Seasoned players, we not talk about they hardly play. They've got top youngsters players that they're not even willing to give them chance. I don't think Pirates will come back. Honestly, I think mina. And I'm trying to see it was for me the league was gone. Ngale 2 point the league was gone, especially ngale Celtics game. And nokuthi badliwe nje Sundowns bengamelanga bayivumele to lose against Sundowns that game. Their game leyana bengamelanga mvumo with Sundowns to beat them. At least play a draw. I mean, it's a marathon. In compete nabantu bangahlala lapha phezulu, especially second round of the season. Labantu ba reach peak at the right time. So manje bodlala Champions League ucabanga ukuthi i-level yabo banjani, ngikhuluma in terms of psychology, physics, the readiness. Now they're going to away TP Esperance, I mean to say, in Tunisia. Labantu laba, I mean, unfortunately, they are highly motivated. They're going to away. Starting away, I think it's a blessing in disguise. Coming back la, there's no game in Betway Premiership that they will sleep. Bazolose. Bangayina mhlambe enye be ugly bona bophulukwana. I know it's difficult. Bazobeyisa Sundowns kule Phulukwana Stadium near. But Sundowns they know how to win. Bazokufakela uShalile kule game akorele 1 goal and then they win 1-0. Play ugly, a problem because of maybe the pitch. Dobona always they want to play. Let's keep the ball. Kunendlela yokudlala mara. Uyazi modlane Phulukwana ngisakulela ground ipapi. So players psychologically umkwena ora kuphokelele ball is done. Or Leo or Reyners. So it's done.
Thank you so much, Junior. That's Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. We're watching Lomdlalo. We're Betway Premiership match day number 24 for Orlando Pirates and also for Richards Bay. We're 10th on the log. Orlando Pirates are still second on the log. 1 point behind the Sundowns, albeit with a game in hand. Imamelodi Sundowns, of course. But from me.